So today I can actually film in my studio because it's one of the days that my husband goes to work, and we have divided the studio to be a studio hyphen office, which he works at home usually 4 days a week. You know, when I got married, they said for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, but they did not say for working at home as well in those vows. But we manage. I found another place which looks very cramped when you see it on video, but it works for me. Anyway, today I want to show you how I come up with, let's say, a Christmas card. I don't do tons of Christmas cards, but I have done one, this one. Wait, I'm going to hold it up magically. Magically. This one that has been a bestseller for, oh my gosh, I would say probably now about 9 or 10 years. I call it my soulful Christmas card because it's a tree composed of fabulous shoes. And I think somewhere along the line, shoes are just universal to women, don't you think? But I thought, let me take that design and update it. It's not my only Christmas card, but it's my best-selling card. So I thought, let me take that shoe, and I'm going to show you how I took that same general idea and came up with this card. There, magically putting it on my hand again. And the funny thing is, the first card, the shoe tree card, it just started as a doodle. I love doodling high heels, fabulous shoes. And this one, oh, I blew it too hard. It's way over there now. This one came up from, or was inspired by, hello, lipstick. I believe we can all save the world one lipstick application at a time. But anyway, let me show you how I come up, how I, from start to finish, how a card is born. How I use Sketchbook Pro with my Surface Pro to create my art. So first off, I just draw a free-handed tree. I use the pencil um, tool in Sketchbook. And I know I could use predictive line as they have in Procreate, and there's predictive line in here, but I just sort of like just doing this freehand in a pencil. So I do, and I work in layers. So there's my first layer. That's going to be just the layer I use to trace and put my art in. So then I'm going to put my, on a second layer, I'm going to do my lipstick tubes. I'm not going to get too crazy about perfection because I think that the point of art is to have it look like a human did it. Then I'm going to color in red. And a lot of times I'll use the magic wand, just like they have in Photoshop, or I think it's Illustrator. I can't remember. But anyway, I'll tap where I want the color, fill the color in. And there you've got your basic outline of the tree, lipstick Christmas tree. Then I go in with my green, and I actually use two shades of green. And once again, I think I used felt tip marker for the point here. And I used two shades of green, although I don't think anybody would actually notice as much as I do. But it's starting to give a nice little Christmas look. And there you have the completed tree, complete with trunk and my signature on there. And then I'm going to put the copy of Red Lipstick Tree with Holiday Cheer from you. And to see there's the finished card. I was going to put glitter touches on there, but I thought the design was strong enough it didn't really need the glitter. And if you want to see the inside of this particular card, I hope you'll go to my vanitygallery.etsy.com. It's not quite as pithy as most of my cards, but it works. I think it works. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you'll like or subscribe or say something nice in the comments. Thanks for watching.